Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ClickUp automations for status changes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure ClickUp automations for status changes, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the specific workspace where you want to set up the automation. Select the space or folder containing the task list that you wish to automate. Click on the three-dot menu icon located in the upper right corner of your task list. From the drop-down menu, choose Automations. Now, click on the Add Automation button. You will see a selection of pre-built automation templates. Scroll down to find the Status Changes section. Select the template that fits your needs or choose Custom Automation for a tailored approach. If you selected a template, it will guide you through necessary adjustments. For a custom automation, start by defining the trigger. Select when a task is moved to a status. Choose the specific status that will trigger the automation. Next, define the action that you want ClickUp to take once the trigger occurs. You can select actions like assign task, set due date, or send notification. Once you have configured the trigger and action, check to ensure that all details are accurate and in line with your workflow. You can add more actions if needed by clicking the Add Action button. After completing your setup, click on the Save button to activate the automation. Your automation is now configured and will run automatically based on the specified status changes. To test your automation, change the status of a task and see if the corresponding action executes correctly. If adjustments are needed, revisit the automation settings and make the necessary changes. Now you're ready to streamline your workflow with ClickUp automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.